Have you heard the term clean eating but aren't quite sure what it means? It's a concept that's been gaining a lot of traction, and while there can be some variations in interpretation, the core principles remain the same. Clean eating, at its heart, is about nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed, and minimally refined foods. It's less about restriction and more about making conscious choices that support your health and well-being. Think about it this way. Clean eating emphasizes foods in their most natural state. This means prioritizing fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive: vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. On the other hand, clean eating generally encourages limiting or avoiding processed foods, sugary drinks, refined grains, and unhealthy fats. These foods often contain artificial additives, preservatives, and excessive amounts of salt and sugar, which can have negative impacts on your health. Clean eating isn't a diet or a quick fix. It's a lifestyle approach that focuses on making sustainable, long-term changes to your eating habits. It's about developing a deeper connection with your food and understanding how it fuels your body. It's also important to remember that clean eating is a journey, not a destination. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another. It's about finding what works best for you and making gradual changes that you can maintain over time. So, if you're looking to improve your health, boost your energy levels, and feel your best, exploring the principles of clean eating could be a great place to start. It's about making informed choices, listening to your body, and enjoying the deliciousness of whole, natural foods.